Along the banks of a river, a familiar sight unfolds. Mallard ducks foraging in the water. The males, with their striking clean heads and chestnut-brown chests, are unmistakable, while the females blend into their surroundings with their mottled brown fluff. Mallards are experts at dabbling, a feeding technique where they tip forward into the water, tails in the air, to reach plants, seeds, and small insects below the surface. Their broad bills act like sieves, filtering out food from the water. It's a fascinating adaptation to life on rivers and ponds.